Hey guys, so basically, well, then stay out of the shot. Fine. Um, so basically, there's this tornado warning or tornado notice. Apparently there's a tornado, touching down, and, um, yeah, haven't seen it, but it's, it's pretty black out there. Well, dark. Crazy dog. Yeah. As far as I know, like from my memory and stuff, which is not the best memory out there. Here, Roxy. I only remember one other tornado, and it was on like the outskirts of Wyoming. Just where I live. Not specify where. It wasn't on the outskirts, just the outskirts of the city. And I'm not going to specify what city. So yeah, there's the tree. As you can see, it's really, really dark out here. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. There's still a tornado warning or watch or notice going. Well, no. 'Cause we have it on that channel. I have it on that channel. Oh, that's my curtains. Have it on that channel where it like repeats the notice, warning, whatever. Oh, still going. Okay. So yeah, I just thought I'd throw that out there. Yeah. I hope that tornado doesn't affect many lives or my life. I think I see it. I think I see it. I don't know if you saw that, but it was like a tornado shape. I think I can see it. I think I can see it. And it's quite far off. I can barely see it, so I don't know if you guys could see it. No. So yeah, let's just hope that this tornado doesn't hurt anyone, doesn't kill anyone, you know. And let's pray for those lives that do get affected by it. Okay. It's like shift. So yeah. I might merge this with another video later on, but probably not. Okay, so, see ya.